Low volume on a headset can make everything feel distant, even when your game or media is running fine. With the HyperX Cloud 3, a quiet output usually comes from settings, connection type, or device configuration rather than a hardware failure. You might notice that even at full volume, the sound still feels weak. Sometimes the headset volume wheel is set low without realizing it. Other times, the system audio level or in game volume is limiting output. There are also cases where the headset is connected correctly, but the device hasn't selected it as the main audio output, which reduces sound levels. Instead of thinking the headset is faulty, these are the steps you can try to fix this and increase the volume properly. Number 1. Turn up the volume wheel on the headset itself. 2. Increase system volume on your PC or console. 3. Check in game audio settings and raise sound levels. Set the headset as the default audio output device. Try. Try a different USB port or audio jack connection. 6. Restart your device and test audio again.